They're like selling off the Pentagon. Wall Street bankers offered lucrative access to join the Pentagon. A presentation from a headhunting firm aimed to recruit Wall Street investors to the Pentagon by offering them unmatched access to government officials and fundraising opportunities among foreign sovereigns. That's insane. It was a slide deck viewed by the New York Times. The presentation says that the Pentagon is seeking to build a 30-person investment team to deploy up to 200 billion in government investment over the next 3 years. Joining the team offers unmatched access to top-level government officials and privileged information flow. Whatever you need, you can get. This is insane. If you ever want to raise your own fund, you will gain access to fundraising channels that will include royal families and foreign sovereign contracts. This was definitely done all along, but it is wild that they have a slide deck. And I feel like there's probably it is more out in the open. And that is a big thing about Trump is like the whole thing's out in the open now. Yes, we are taking your oil. It is for colonialism. We are colonialist conquerors. So now it's hard for people to deny the truth, but there is a very dangerous part of that too, though. On the other side of that is that people aren't woken up by that, that it just normalizes it. And that is something that is very scary because I've thought about that over the past 10 years because it isn't just this administration. It was last time too, where he was very much like he said about Syria, we took the oil. We went in there and took the oil. He didn't say we were saving it from ISIS, which was the excuse that the State Department was using. But instead of fighting back, I do see people just acquiescing to it and just allowing it to be normalized in their minds. So I feel like it creates even less resistance to it instead of more resistance to it, which is like the complete opposite of what I would expected. You would have expected people, oh, we know about this now. And he is like just saying the quiet part out loud. This is terrible. Let's burn this shit down. But people are just like, oh, okay, that's how it is now. I don't know what the hell's going on. In addition to offering loans, the administration has begun taking a series of equity stakes in firms and industries such as mining, semiconductors, and steel, and what it says will result in better deal for US taxpayers. You could see it in all of his press conferences and stuff when he's talking about Cuba. I've been talking to the sugar plantation guys and about this situation in the Middle East. He's always talking about the oil